Today, in this video we're going to take a look at the best car escape tool. We'll compare the best car escape tool on the market and list its features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 1. Resqme Escape Tool. The Resqme Escape Tool is a compact, reliable and essential life-saving device that every driver should have on hand. Designed and manufactured in the USA, this 2-in-1 emergency car safety tool offers both a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter and a powerful tempered glass window breaker, making it ideal for use in rollovers, electrical failures, floods, or sinking vehicle situations. The stainless steel blade effortlessly slices through jammed seatbelts with a clean diagonal cut, allowing you to escape quickly when every second counts. What sets the Resqme apart is its spring-loaded stainless steel spike, which resets automatically after use and can easily shatter tempered side windows, especially when aimed at a corner. Lightweight and attachable to your keychain, it's easy to carry at all times without adding bulk. With over 8 million motorists carrying it worldwide and its endorsement by first responders, EMTs, and law enforcement, the Resqme tool has been credited with saving lives every 15 days on average. Tested and certified by Germany's TV, this reusable tool is built for performance, reliability, and peace of mind. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-haul traveler, the Resqme tool is a smart investment in your personal safety. Number 2. Seatbelt Cutter. The seatbelt cutter and window hammer is a must-have emergency tool for any vehicle, offering peace of mind and critical functionality when seconds matter. This 2-in-1 escape tool includes a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter and a tungsten metal double-head hammer, designed to quickly shatter car door windows in emergencies such as sinking, overturned, or burning vehicles. The cutter effortlessly slices through jammed seatbelts, while the bright orange handle ensures visibility and a secure grip even in high-stress situations. Each unit comes with a protective bracket for safe storage, making it easy to keep within reach in your car's center console or driver's side door pocket. Note that the hammer is effective on tempered glass but not on laminated windows. Sold as a 2-pack, this tool is a smart, affordable investment for every driver, providing a reliable means of escape in life-threatening scenarios. A vital safety addition for every vehicle. Number 3. SINSEN Car Safety Hammer. The SINSEN Car Safety Hammer is a vital addition to any vehicle's emergency preparedness kit. This 2-in-1 tool combines a durable window breaker and a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter, designed to help you escape quickly in life-threatening situations such as crashes, rollovers, or submerged vehicles. Made from high-grade carbon steel, the double-headed hammer is tough enough to shatter car windows effortlessly, while the safely enclosed, curved hook blade slices through seat belts with ease. The bright orange handle ensures high visibility in low light or chaotic moments, and its anti-slip design offers a secure grip even under stress. Each tool comes with a protective bracket for safe storage, making it easy to keep accessible in your door pocket, glove compartment, or center console. Sold as a multi-pack, you can place them in different areas of your car for quick access by all passengers or even gift them to family and friends. Lightweight yet strong, the SINSEN Safety Hammer is a smart, low-cost investment in your personal safety. Backed by a 90-day return policy and lifetime customer service, it's a must-have tool for every driver who values readiness and peace of mind.